If you've ever wanted your Google Slides to look exactly the way you imagine, without relying on default layouts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to insert text placeholders and build your own custom layout in Google Slides step by step. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, just log in with your Google account so you can access your presentations. On the homepage, you'll see all your saved files. You can choose a template if you'd like a starting point, but for full control, click on Blank Presentation. Once your new slide opens, look at the menu bar at the top and click Slide. From the drop-down, select Edit Theme. This is where you customize the master layout, the blueprint for every slide you create from here on. Now you're in Theme View. Up at the top, click Insert, then select Placeholder. This is where the magic begins. Choose a text placeholder type, such as title, subtitle, or body text. After selecting, click and drag on the slide to create the placeholder. You can resize and position it anywhere you want, just like a normal text box, but the big difference is that it becomes part of the layout for every slide using that master. You're not limited to just one. Add multiple placeholders if your layout needs different text areas, maybe a heading at the top and body text below, or a quote box off to the side. Align them how you like and adjust spacing so the slide feels balanced and clean. If your layout includes visuals, you can also add an image placeholder the same way. Insert Placeholder was image. This gives you a ready-made spot where you can drop images without breaking your design later. Once you're happy with your layout, just exit the theme editor. Any new slide you add that uses that layout will automatically include the placeholders you created. It saves tons of time and keeps your design consistent across the entire presentation. And that's all it takes to create your own custom layout with text placeholders in Google Slides. If this helped you take more control of your presentations, stick around for more easy guides and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.